Oh, what up YouTube? This is the tree we're working on today with Big Rob. We've got the CUC. Already got the line up there already. We go through some Scots pines to clear away from the customer's roof. As you can see, these are the branches in concern. Got an access line up for the moment, but I'll probably advance that a bit further up the tree to give me a bit of a better tie-in point to then scramble out. We then scramble out on this limb and nibble away, probably rig a few bits, and we'll see how we go.
Like that film you said, that's quite cool.
Did you watch that?
Yeah. It's got like the Paramount thing and then a helmet, isn't it?
He goes, "You stole my glory."
I tell you what, me and Andy best. I saw Andy the other day.
Did you?
And we were just talking about how much it's changed from the old days when you just used to get a ladder,
Yeah.
scrabble up to the anchor point, and then take the ladder away.
And then be like, "This is hard work."
And Andy's like that. They're all filming it now.
Oh, I've left my. Oh no.
What have you left?
My chest tether thing.
Where's that?
It's in the back of the
I'll
truck.
get it. Tell me where it is.
I don't really know. It's in the bag somewhere.
Mike's left his chest tether. This anger's in.
This anger's in.
See? This is all this SRT malarkey.
Oh, it would have been up the tree. Set.
Here.
A few cents.
I never knew you had a
Still,
021.
021?
Yeah.
That is a 151.
No, it's a still at 021.
Oh, the 021. Yes. I knew it was. I knew that. That is the original.
That's poo chalk.
Pooey chalk. Has it been in poo?
No.
No.
I thought that was a still 021.
021.
Yeah, I'll send that up to you.
Yeah, they made that after the 020.
Oh yeah.
Not many people bought it, so they skipped it and went to the 201.
No, 21. No, 21.
Try again. 1 foot this time.
You've got your chesty pops.
I am.
Here he goes, he's off. Look.
See you tomorrow. Bye. Bye now.
I've still got a picture of you going up that Scots pine.
For Tim?
Yeah.
No.
Remember, we were at Chadwick Way.
Yeah, I remember that.
It's a lot easier, isn't it, once you get set up?
Yeah. Rob,
Yes?
you okay to untie that?
Untie your face, Rob.
Yes, please.
Yeah, all clear.
Okay, mate.
How'd you get on with that de-lowering device?
I've not used it since.
Have you not?
It was that good. We would go up here. Are you singing the YMCA?
No.
Are you a big fan of Donald Trump?
He's made it legal now that there can only be two genders or something, hasn't he, in America?
Yes, well that does make sense to be fair.
Yeah, Trump is a genius, you know?
He is a scientist.
I think to cure COVID we need to drink bleach.
Good work. Right. Anchor point we'll use Alpine Butterfly. And then a notch quickie, because it's quickie.
If the man you are falling in love all over again.
Bosh, bosh. Pin away from stem.
The best looking plate this time. That latch's got quite a big slit.
Well, that's good.
Right, you're in a good bit.
Oh, I'm on the good bit. Rob reassures the climber.
Michael is reassured.
Feels reassured.
You know what? Really reassured.
Dead wooding. I'm not sure which way out I need to go, because I might be away from stuff.
I'll have to give you a shout if there's any force activity, Michael.
If there's any what?
Force activity. You might just have to switch the door off temporarily.
Okay. Where are they? They're away at the moment, aren't they?
What, the horses?
Yeah.
Oh no, I don't think so. I just don't think they're at this part of the... Don't move your saw.
Yeah, go on then.
Rob moves my saw.
There he is.
I'm moving my saw.
There he goes.
Whereabouts are these big head crackers, Michael?
You see where I am?
Yeah.
There's one that bends like that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And then
If they're like that, on your way down, just nip them off.
yeah, and then two just next to me.
Yeah, go on then.
Yeah, I'll take them off now then.
Yeah. But I mean, it's not really dead wood, it's just a ground raised, really.
Yeah, as soon as they're on this side of the building as
Like
well.
I say, yeah, as they're there, take them off.
Yeah. Okay, if you put the saw on.
Okay.
Cheers, mate.
That,
It is.
you have to just
Yeah, you want to warm it up?
warm them up more, boy.
Warm it up.
I see you've got a still 021.
It's still the 021.
Send up on this one.
Yes, please.
Yes, all right.
Cheers, Rob. thinking I'll put the rigging line up here somewhere.
Alright, mate. You want that one now?
Yeah, I'll just put it on this branch over here.
Alright. Yep.
Cheers, Rob. That'd do, wouldn't it? Rob, you see where that metal thing is on the green line?
Yeah.
Can you just tie a stopper knot behind it so I can pull it up to me?
Yep.
Cheers, Rob. I need that on the end here.
Right there. So if you imagine there's the roof, you want a sort of good sort of 2 to 3 metres clearance.
Yeah, if I go in that main kind of bit.
Yeah.
Come out. Yeah, what is it? It's over there somewhere, isn't it?
We're taking the weight off it, so that's...
We're not adding weight, we can only remove.
Yeah, exactly, yeah. Put it back myself.
I don't like that branch there.
You always do what I used to do, just cut it off.
Well, yeah.
I just used to get like that.
Okay, this is a bit of a better angle, but yeah. Somehow,
Yeah.
that one down there really, isn't it?
Right out there, isn't it?
Yeah, that one going out over the roof. Kind of have to go over the top of this bit really.
Just finding the comfortable working position.
Yeah, seeing where you got to go.
Sometimes there's no such thing, is there?
No. This is the real world now.
Hey?
This is the real world, not the classroom. Okay. Okay, we're getting somewhere.
And I'll just keep that tight and we'll lower it down somehow.
Yeah, it should come down just the other side of the roof, but at least it's somewhere. When you put it back up, I'll have it back to me again.
Yeah. I might have to put it up a little bit, I don't know.
Yeah.
We'll sort it out.
Yeah, it might brush gently on the roof.
Yeah, no, fair enough.
But we'll be okay.
Just stay top cut so it tears down.
Yeah.
Alright, I'll take it, pull it up.
Yeah, put some tension on that.
Right, how's that feel? Yeah, that's alright, isn't it?
Yeah, don't put too much because you're pulling me up. You lift me up.
Yeah, I'll keep it tight like that and then just hand lower it down.
Yeah. I just have to might have to carefully somehow do something.
Yeah, that's it. That's the way.
I might even silky it just because of the position I'm in.
I would.
I'll do a little.
Sometimes silking's easier, isn't it?
Not easier, but I know I won't cut my leg off with a silky.
Those silkies are evil.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Oh, yours, Rob.
Alright, mate.
Do you want me to manoeuvre it in any way?
Maybe just give it a little bit of a shake just to clear off the tip of that roof there. Really. That's it.
Okay, lovely. Is it going down all right?
That bit of friction.
Oh, hands-free lowering.
No hands.
Yeah. You wouldn't believe we've got a pulley up there, would you?
It's alright, mate.
Going through a few
Can't have
forks.
everything, can you? Right, that's good. Lovely.
Right. Whilst I'm in the position I'm in, Rob,
Yeah.
is there any more that you want off from this zone?
I shall have a little look, mate.
Okay. I can see Wessex Water are busy doing their thing again.
Where's that?
Full-time van sitters
Where are they?
over there.
Right, I'll pull that back up, yeah?
Okay, yeah,
Hold on. There.
yeah.
Right, let's have
Gotcha.
a look.
Because obviously that one there I'll have
See
to
your,
go down there
to your
for.
left, there's a skinny one going down like that. Can you see it?
Off of like this high, off of this one?
Hey?
Off of this one?
Yeah, I think it's off of this one. Do you see what I mean? It goes down the...
I think so.
It's a lot
Let me
closer to the roof. It's only a wispy thing, but
let
if
me-
you could reach out and just give that
a nick.
a nick, that would be brilliant.
If I tap it with something,
Hey?
if I tap it with the silky,
Yeah,
you give me a yes or no.
perfect. That's what I like, communication. Yes, that's the exact one.
It actually comes from here,
Yeah.
up there. So if I'll cut it where I am, maybe, because otherwise we're in a stub, won't we?
Might be easier for you to take the whole thing, right? Good job.
Where can I throw this? If I throw it out over that way.
Just nudge it towards the face of the tree.
Lovely. So that's
Now-
made a bit of difference, isn't it?
You see that main branch you were touching?
Yeah, you want like the end off of it or something?
Yeah, if you go out, can you see there's a growth point not far from your hand which goes out towards that way? Yeah.
Try bring it
So
into
you don't-
that.
You don't have to go out. you could almost cut it from there, maybe a bit further out. But yeah, take that, if we just lash that up.
See what I could get.
Yeah, obviously, like you say, just do what you can to get. You know, it's literally just a case of lashing it. Don't have to go out, mate. What I can see from here, looks like there's a growth point going that way. A small one.
Somewhere out there.
You don't have to go out that far. That might be from another tree. It looks like a growth point. Yeah, it is. That's it.
There.
Exactly.
Should be a challenge.
If you just sort of lash it.
Oh, oh dear. There we have it.